How to create a vendor and a purchase order in Shiphero. Begin by clicking Inventory, then Vendors. In the vendor screen, click Add a Vendor. In the vendor details, all you are required to provide is the vendor name and an email or emails. For the vendor name, this can simply be your company name, the vendor you buy from's name, or both. We prefer you use your company name and the name of the vendor in parentheses because of the number of the POs we receive. Next, choose the vendor you created and click View. Here, you will search for the SKUs you want to ship from this vendor. When you are done, save changes. For future reference, you can always edit a vendor to add more SKUs. To create a purchase order, return to the vendor screen where we started, Inventory and Vendor. You will see the vendor you have created and click Create PO. Here, select the vendor you have created and SELERY Fulfillment as the warehouse. Below, there is a search bar to enter the SKUs you would like to ship in the purchase order. Once you have selected the SKUs you are sending to SELERY, as well as the quantities to ship, just save order. You have now created a purchase order. In the Created Purchase Order screen, you can add as much or as little detail as you want. The more the better. You can add a PO number, expected date of arrival, tracking number, and more. Take a look around and see the many features that help ensure efficient receiving of your product. Thanks, and we look forward to receiving your product.